Good morning, YouTube. So I'm over here at the funny farm. It's really early and I just let the animals out. And we thought we would do a quick video and say hello to everyone because it's been a couple weeks since we put up a funny farm video. Annabelle's going to her favorite place. What you doing, sweetheart? What you doing? Here's Mr. Sonny Rooster and his sister wives. Well, that's rude, Sonny. As soon as I turned the camera on you, you had to potty. Where's Penny? Oh, there I see my red-headed girl. Penny's feathers finally grew back in, her wing feathers. Now one of my barred rocks feathers are doing that. That's just a natural process. Some chickens molt several times a year. Some just molt once a year. They're over there drinking their water I brought them. I bring them warm water when it's cold outside, and they absolutely love it. Hey, Rooster, Rooster. I'm going to have to get a close-up of that handsome boy. Pretty boy. Hey, sweet Bunny. Bunny and Sonny. He's mean to Bunny, aren't you? They treat her differently. They bully her. Hey, sweet girl. Oh, there's that mean little rooster. Hey, Sonny Roo. What you doing? Let's get his tail feathers. What you doing, handsome boy? What's him doing? I'm out of worms right now, so I don't have any to give you. Actually, a while back, I was hand feeding Sonny right up here on this spot, just reaching him through there. But I'm out of worms. Look, he's the king of the world. He's the king of the world, everyone. Oh my goodness. Sonny, cock-a-doodle. Ooh, look at those big sharp spurs on the back. Ooh, that's why I'm so scared of Sonny. Yeah. He's a mean boy. He's gangster. He's gangster, but he's also like Hugh Heffner. You know, this is the chicken Playboy Mansion. Or should I say Playboy Chicken Mansion? Be nice to Bunny. Look at his beautiful tail feathers. He's getting ready to fly down, I can tell. Are you? You gonna fly down, Rooster? Annabelle, tell everyone to have a great day. Sonny decides to cock-a-doodle when I walked away, didn't he? Tell everyone to have a great day. And say, guess what, everybody? Annabelle has lived here for a year now. Over a year. Yeah, she just had an anniversary a while back, didn't you, baby? Yeah. Yes, you did have an anniversary. Uh-oh, she's pooping rainbow drops. Don't tell everybody her personal business. Well, tell everyone to have a wonderful day and give them a kiss. No, not headbutts, kisses. She's like, no. No, they're just going to get headbutts. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a quick video because we hadn't done one in a while. And I know some of you have missed this beautiful girl, haven't they? Yeah, of course they missed her because she's beautiful. She's awesome. Anyways, I love you guys. Be safe, be kind, and peace.